Yamaha, one-stop smart solution. This is a concept where Yamaha, as one brand, develops and manufactures products linked to smart, smooth, and sophisticated production lines, incorporating cutting-edge solution technology. This one-stop smart solution is the first concept to integrate the two conditions of all-around development and manufacturing know-how with the major equipment needed for everything in SMT, from printers to mounters to inspection machines, in one complete cycle, along with high performance in each and every machine. Here we introduce you to some typical machines from among the broad Yamaha lineup, fully loaded with intelligent solutions, including the latest technology. Let's first take a look at the YST15 Intelligent SMD Storage System. Adapting the direct handling makes load or unload component reels as is with no annoying changes. And the YST15 can store and manage a maximum of 2,000 component reels in one unit, and load or unload a maximum of 33 reels in a single batch. The component ID is automatically scanned and managed when first placed in inventory. YST15 is loaded with functions to thoroughly cut down on the time and trouble of resupplying components. The YST15 utilizes the Yamaha Intelligent Factory to achieve a whole new level of efficiency by way of the M2M to link to other machines. It automatically unloads the required components at the optimal timing based on components still remaining in the mounter and production planning. Batch supply software unloads in batches components from stock whose refill timing is approaching. The YST15 drastically cuts down on the time and trouble involved in component refills to help boost high-efficiency production. After component refills, we now look at the solder printing process with the Yamaha Premium Printer YSP10. The YSP10 is a high-end printer that delivers high-speed printing on the world's fastest level. The best feature of the YSP10 is fully automated setup changeovers that usually take the most time and trouble in the printing process. To achieve this, we designed and developed 3 new functions. Automatic push-up pin exchange. 2 pickup heads speedily place push-up pins at the optimal position. Automatic stencil replacement. After presetting the stencil needed for the next production run, the machine automatically replaces the stencil. Automatic solder transfer. This function automatically scrapes up solder remaining on the used stencil and places it on the new stencil after replacement. These 3 fully automating the setup changeover process frees the operator from this task and shrinks the setup time to about 1/3 the time it used to take. The YSP10 is a high-end printer with fully automated setup changeovers, yet also achieves operation to high specs. After printing, operation proceeds to print inspections. The YSISP, a 3D high-speed solder paste inspection machine. The YSISP is a versatile device that makes all types of inspections on one unit by using a unique in-house measurement algorithm for high-accuracy inspections, combining both 3D and 2D, as well as super high-resolution technology to switch the machine image resolution. It also handles 3D bonding inspections by way of a data link-up with the YSD Yamaha dispenser, and foreign matter inspections as an option. By correctly checking the bond or solder state before component mounting, the YSISP helps create a defect-free production line. Next, let's take a look at the component mounting process. Yamaha mounters are available in a lineup with a host of unique features, allowing you to select the ideal machine to match a wide range of production sites and situations. Among these, the new premium high-efficiency modular YRM20 serves as the core of the next-generation product lineup. This is an innovative high-speed all-around mounter that represents a new generation fusion of all Yamaha technology. 3 types of heads are available in the YRM20 and are freely usable in all types of combinations. The super high-speed RM head can produce 115,000 cph, which is the world's highest level. Combining it with the new type high-speed feeder will achieve unbeatable productivity. Even though it is a rotary head, it is still extremely versatile, handling components ranging from ultra-tiny 0.201mm chips to maximum 12mm square. The high-speed multi-HM inline head achieves the one-head solution at a very high level. It achieves high-speed mounting of 98,000 cph, yet handles component sizes from tiny 0.201mm chips on up to sizes of 55 by 100 millimeters. The inline FM head for odd-shaped components emphasizes component compatibility even further, proving ideal for tall components and other large components. Also, overdrive motion that inherits the Sigma series technology has reduced restrictions when two opposing heads enter each other's space, improving actual productivity. Use of a new type of component recognition camera has boosted recognition speed and quality to a whole new level. A newly designed X-beam reduces warping from thermal stress to a minimum to achieve high accuracy mounting to plus or minus 25 micrometers. The newly designed conveyor optimizes the layout and delivers high-speed conveying. Time needed for PCB changeovers is drastically reduced. As a result, the effective production takt time has been greatly improved. It can now also handle a broader range of PCB to a maximum size of 510 millimeters in width. Moreover, the recently developed non-stop automatic tray supplier EATS30 supports YRM20 by speedy non-stop supply of trays. It provides non-stop supply of tray components in pallet or magazine units. Components on trays can now be efficiently supplied without having to stop production. This means fast tray replacement and minimal loss of production time. An innovative next-generation mounter that integrates all of Yamaha technology with a completely new platform. The new premium high-efficiency modular YRM20. Next is the YSIV 3D Hybrid Optical Inspection System. This high-accuracy inspection device can make 3 types of inspections, which are 2D and 3D inspections, and 4-angle camera inspections by one unit. High-speed, high-resolution 2D optical inspections via industrial-grade high-resolution camera and high-speed image processing. Optical phase shift 3D inspections, which detect height and tilted surfaces. 4-angle camera detects tilt angles which are not visible from directly above. The YSIV achieves the fastest level of inspection speed in the industry, along with accurate quality judgments by a combination of many functions and features. These devices and concepts all work together to provide Yamaha's one-stop smart solution line, where all of these high-spec machines interact with each other to a high degree without a black box. And it is integrated by the IoT M2M integration system, Intelligent Factory. And now let's take a look at its software. First, we have the software WiseUp PG that supports production planning and the operating processes. In WiseUp PG, the user interface was completely redesigned and recreated, much easier to use and operate, and drastically boosts work efficiency. CAD, CAM, Gerber data conversion. It not only converts ASCII-type CAD data, but also converts standard CAM data to component mounting data. Visual Data Editor. This displays images created from standard CAM data and Gerber data so that component mounting positions and mounting angles can be confirmed in advance. It can also automatically measure component dimensions from the actual component image. The 3D graphics view gives the operator an accurate look at possible component interference, component mounting coordinates, and other important items to further enhance the quality of the PCB data. Grouping. This software automatically calculates combinations of products with many common component combinations in a production line and sets a no-waste production priority. In addition, taking into consideration the switching time for temperature profile change in the reflow process, the most efficient order can be calculated. This software minimizes setup and changeover time, along with standby time, to boost productivity and task efficiency. It also supports dual-lane production. Next is software for component setups and changeovers and supply processes. YST15 Linked Operation Component Remain Monitor. This software monitors component delivery information on a smartphone or tablet, so the required component supply timing can be found from remote locations. Batch Supply Software. Using the YST15 along with batch supply software and an auto-loading feeder capable of presetting the next reel means that supply components needed to be unloaded by the operator can be retrieved from stock in one batch, so components can be supplied in one batch without having to stop the machine. The operator no longer has to constantly walk around checking on the machines, so work efficiency is boosted to a whole new level. Moreover, linking operation to an AGV automatically transports the components to the requested work location. Floor Simulator. This software simulates how much effect would be achieved by replacing the current tape feeder with an auto-loading feeder. This is also aimed at cost effectiveness, since you can easily estimate the optimal number of auto-loading feeders to substitute for your current feeders. And you can also give effective work instructions, since you can check the information of which machine is waiting to be supplied or burden of each operator at a glance. New IT System. This system provides central management of information on material and components for the entire floor and serves as a base system for utilizing the function of various options. It ensures high-speed response in real time. It gives the same quick response regardless of whether it is linked to one machine or 100 machines. Also, it gives stable, reliable connections with peripheral devices and upper layer or host systems. Next, we take a look at software that helps maintain quality. Live Dashboard. Here you can monitor the production status of the entire floor area and each production line in real time. Analyzing Dashboard. Assists in analyzing trouble issues by showing production progress and records. OEE and KPI, all in a visually easy to see and understand display. All Image Tracer. This software saves all component recognition images from the mounters with no tact loss. The viewer application can easily search for the target image from among several million or more images to swiftly pinpoint causes of defects. The stored images are linked with endpoint verification and utilizes external inspection results from before and after reflow to link information against related printer and mounter images to swiftly pinpoint causes of defects at NG mounting points. The Yamaha Intelligent Factory brings both automation and manpower savings to the worksite through the one-stop smart solution concept. It provides the vital support essential for smart manufacturing. Finding security and happiness for humanity in our super rapidly changing world means making further progress in the world of electronics. Cutting-edge surface mount technology via the one-stop smart solution is the key to supporting these technical advances. Yamaha contributes to the future world of electronics through robotics.